Hi guys! So I've seen a lot of people do get unready with me videos and I thought it's about time I joined that train. I get asked a lot about my skincare routine and I have a shit ton of makeup right now, so I thought I have to remove it. Why not film it or film what I do? And that is what we're gonna do today. So what I like doing is I use this cleaning oil by Laura Mercier. So step number one, use the oil. I do a couple of pumps in my hand and I do this, and this is gonna get really pretty. Just get everywhere. I have eyelash extensions, so I kind of have to be careful and then just go around it. I just bought this thing, by the way. I've used it like for a week and I love it so far. So do this, and then when you add water to it, it kind of gives you like a foaming situation. So I think I'm gonna do that and then come back. I'm gonna wash my hand. So now that we got most of the makeup off, don't worry about the raccoon eyes. I'm gonna go in with like a makeup remover. Now that we got most of the makeup off, what I like doing is I like to use a face wash. Currently, this is the one I'm using and I really like it. It's by Lancome. Of course, I can never get this thing right. Oh, there, it works. This is the one I like using now. I've been using it for a couple months and I really like it. So, just a little bit. I avoid the under eye or the whole eye area because it dries out my eye area and it's not good. So you should avoid it too. Just go around it. Guess what I got to do right now? It's the washing portion. And this is what we're gonna be using. And we dropped it. Get that thumb. Ooh, dripping. So this should have been step number one, but I forgot earrings. They come off. It's part of the nighttime routine. Yeah, so I forgot to do that. So we're gonna do that now. So now that earrings are off and I wash my face and it's squeaky clean, I like to go in with a toner. I have so many different ones, but tonight we're gonna be using the one from Bliss. It's a really good one. Take a cotton thingy. It's not a ball, so I don't know. Oh, pad. Cotton pad. And get a few drops of this thing. Sometimes I just like using, what is that thing? So this is how you know if your face wash does a good job or not. Like, there shouldn't be much makeup left. This is like the best feeling when your makeup's off. I'm gonna do one more time just to make sure there's no makeup left. And then after this, I'm gonna use a makeup remover to get the leftover eye makeup. I'm using this one by the Body Shop. God, here we go again. Struggling. I'm gonna use that. It's like for waterproof eye makeup and lip makeup and all that. Take a Q-tip and then just do a couple of drops. And then go in, and because I hate waking up with raccoon eyes, so just like gently like remove whatever is left. If I didn't have eyelash extensions, I would just take the pad and do that, but since I have eyelash extensions, we have to go around it. Take this and then do that. Get all that eye makeup off. So now that everything is off, we're gonna go and put more stuff on. So, and we're gonna start off by the Skin Volumizing Oil Serum by Bare Minerals. I found this stuff a couple months ago and I've been obsessed. You shake it because it's like almost like oil and water mixture. And I like to put a few drops to mix it up. And then, oh. I just put it all over my face. You never want to go in. You just want to, whatever you do, like this direction. That I know. So now that this is on, we're gonna move on to eye cream. Like, I wear a lot of concealer, so I always make sure to wear eye cream. And there are people that don't use eye cream, and I don't know how they live. Eye cream is something that I actually spend money on. The rest of the skincare stuff, as long as like I know it's good, I use it, or whatever works for me. And I've been using the La Mer eye cream. It's very pricey and so out of my budget, but I mean, I guess you got to do what you got to do. It's the green bottle, the eye concentrate. I love this stuff. Just do it with this finger and lightly dab it under your eyes, and you stop right here. Have you noticed that we make the funniest faces when we do makeup or skincare? Yeah. Now that eye cream is on, you see how it is? It's like a cream base. I have one that's like gel base, but I like this one better. So for my moisturizer, I like stuff with vitamin E. And I love the one from Body Shop, the vitamin E. It's actually not pricey at all. That's this one. Dab, 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 dab. It's the best feeling. So moisturizer on. And I've learned that if you're wearing any kind of face oil, it has to go after moisturizer. So the last step, I like to use some kind of vitamin E oil. Warning, it's very oily, so only use a few drops. Yeah, you're gonna be very shiny, so only very little. Nice and shiny and moisturized. No makeup. And a lot of people wanted to see me with no makeup, so this is for you guys. And I'm going to bed. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy listening to me ramble on. And if you don't, subscribe anyway.